Hi everyone, so I'm back to cut my soap that I'm calling Gold. It's inspired by the song by Chet Faker. So if you haven't heard that song, I highly recommend you looking it up and checking it out. This soap did not go according to plan, but it's still a fun neon soap. So I'm running it through my loaf splitter, and this is the only loaf splitter that I have, and I'm unable to adjust the height on it. So the size differs on both sides. One size is a little larger than the other. Therefore, I'm going to be offering this soap in two different size bars, a large and a small. So the fragrance on this soap is Clinique Happy for Women. It's a duplicate of their famous perfume. And I chose to go light on the fragrance. I only had a little bit of the fragrance oil left over and decided that this would be the perfect opportunity to use what I had and make a soap that was not heavily scented. Not that my soaps are heavily scented usually, but they are pretty scented. Not enough that you get out of the shower smelling like you bathed in fragrance, but they're decently scented. So these soaps will be ready in 4 to 6 weeks. So stay tuned on my Facebook page or keep an eye on my Etsy page for when they are available for purchase. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. And I really enjoyed making this soap even though it did not turn out as planned. I still think it's a cool soap. It reminds me of the 80s.